I'm pulling up to work. What is awaiting me? Gonna check my grinder. I'm not gay. I just wanna see. Ryan here, Silly Reviews. Pulling up to work. I'm gonna show you how to jumpstart your 2012 or similar Chevrolet Traverse. I'm also going to show you how to change your battery in the Traverse. It's not easy. It's a little bit pain in the butt to change that battery, but jump starting is easy once you realize what is going on. Now, I left a trickle charger on this Traverse overnight. We're doing some big time work on it. First thing you want to do, open the door, pop the hood. Now, the door's locked from last night, but I already had the hood. Boop bop, I had it popped. We're gonna open it up. You're gonna see major engine repair here. Now, since we can't start the vehicle, get the alternator going, the battery hasn't been charging, your latch is slightly left of center. You're gonna open that up and you push that latch over to the right, to the driver's side to get her open. You can see no engine in here, but I do need to charge this battery. And I was like, dang, where's the battery? This is dumb. It's not there. That's a bunch of fuses and relays. No, it's right over here. You're gonna have a knob and you're gonna have a little place for the ground. That's your positive. It's going to have a red cap on it. This is how to jumpstart or charge your battery. Then that's the ground right there. You're going to clip your black, boop bap. Pretty simple stuff, pretty easy to do. Where is the battery? That's the annoying part. If you see that thing with the 3 big wires, your battery's under there. You have to unbolt that thing. Scary stuff, kind of annoying. Good deal. We got 100% on the battery, so that thing is going to be fully charged and ready when we put the engine back together and crank her up. We wanted to have full power, okay? Full power. So anyway, that's how you jumpstart your Chevrolet Traverse. Hook your black last. That means hook your red first, black last, then unhook the black first, then the red last. That's your positive, that's your ground, that's your negative. That's how you're gonna jumpstart it or charge it. And again, the battery's in front of there with the thing with the big 3 wires in front of it. Pain in the butt. Why did they design it like that? I don't know. Go out, jumpstart your Traverse battery. Ryan for Silly Reviews. Thank you so much for watching.